Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete multiple photos on your Mac to help organize your library and free up storage space. Start by opening the Photos app from your dock. If you don't see it there, open Launchpad and select Photos from the list of apps. Once the app opens, browse through your library and find the photos you want to remove. To select a single photo, just click it once and you'll see it highlighted. If you want to delete that photo, press the Delete key on your keyboard and confirm the removal when the prompt appears. You can also right-click the photo and choose the Delete option from the menu if you prefer using the mouse. If you need to remove several photos at once, hold down the Command key while clicking different images. This lets you choose multiple photos individually without affecting the rest of your library. Another quick method is to click one photo, hold the Shift key, and then click another photo farther down the list. Your Mac will automatically select everything between those two photos, which is useful when cleaning up large groups of images. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more Mac and iPhone tips and tutorials. After selecting all the photos you want to remove, press the Delete key or right-click one of the selected photos and choose Delete in the menu. Keep in mind that deleted photos are not erased immediately. They're moved to the Recently Deleted album, which gives you time to recover them if you change your mind. To access it, click Recently Deleted from the sidebar. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to authenticate with your password, Touch ID, or fingerprint. Inside this folder, you can select any photo and choose Recover to restore it to your library. If you want to permanently remove the photos and free up storage right away, select them and choose Delete. Confirm the action, and those photos will be removed from your Mac and any connected devices using the same photo library. That's all there is to deleting multiple photos on a Mac. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I'll see you in the next one.